Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today I'm painting up Littleton Proudcock, the innkeeper from the Dunkeldorf series, innkeeper of the Proudcock Peacock. And as usual with these, I'm going to use mainly contrast paints to get my result. And therefore also I undercoated with Wraithbone spray from Citadel. But yeah, first things first, I'm gonna take some Guilliman flesh and paint in his skin. Next up, a little bit of Gorgonter fur, and this is for his hair. Now, a little bit of Leviathan blue, and this is for his tunic. Next up, some Black Templar, and this is for his shoes, his belt and his hat. After that, some Pterodon turquoise, and this is for his pants, his scarf and the feather in the hat. Next up, a little bit of wildwood, and this is for his pipe and his belt pouch. Next, I'll do a little cleanup with some Wraithbone. Next up, a little bit of Apothecary white, and this is for his teeth and his socks. Now, a little bit of Glorious Gold, any gold color will do, and this is for his finger rings and the brush or whatever it's called that holds the feather in place. I'll also put some Glorious Gold on the buckles and his shoes. Next up, some Mechanical Standard Grey, and this is for the cobblestones. Next up, some Nuln Oil, and this is for the cobblestones, but also for a bit of black lining at his socks and his mouth. And now, some Reichland Flesh Shade, and this is for the gold parts. The washes are still drying, but I'll take some metal color black and dot in his eyes. And this is really hard to do on camera, so bear with me. Now that the Nuln Oil has finally dried, I'm ready to take some Taminatsa stone and dry brush the base. And finally, some metal color black again, and this time it's for the base rim. So, this is my take on Littleton. I'm really happy with him. He is not as pretty as the one Nana did over at the Cabana Minis, but he was really fast to paint up, and I need him for a gaming session later today. I might revisit him with some highlights in the future, as he is a bit darker than I envisioned. But all in all, yeah, what took the longest was for the Nuln Oil and the base to dry. So, yeah, good old speed paint. Let me know below what you think. Until next time, take care and bye bye.